guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a makeup brush haul, and I'm going to be showing you some brushes that I got from Dhgate. I'm going to be looking at some products that I got from this seller on Dhgate. Guys, I'm not sure if you know, but my first love is makeup brushes. Like, yeah, I'm obsessive. I am obsessing over makeup brushes. Whenever I see makeup brushes that are affordable, Jody is, yeah. But yeah, guys, so this Dhgate seller, they contacted me and told me that they want me to sample some brush that they have. So I decided that, yeah, no problem. And their company is also that type of like manufacturing company that supplies products to or brushes to BH Cosmetics. That's what they told me. So it's a big deal. It's a big company if they supply to BH Cosmetics. Yes. And they also do private labeling. Yeah. And the name of the manufacturing company is Sylyne. Yeah. I don't really know how to pronounce that, but I'll give you the name so you can look if you so desire. I'm going to be looking at these brushes that they gave me. They sent to me to sample, to use. Yes, and I spoke to the supplier and he said that I should give my honest opinion, tell them whether or not the brushes are good and my experiences, and also he wants to know if there anything that they're going to be, if they should improve anything. They would like to get the feedback from me. So I'm thinking that maybe they want my honest opinion, but I don't have a problem with that because that's what I'm about, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I love brushes, so I'm hoping that these brushes will be, good brushes. Hoping that these brushes are as good as they look. Yeah, so these are the brushes, guys. These are the brushes, good 10-piece brushes, 5 essential eye brushes and 5 face brushes. So these are what the brushes are looking like. Yes. Let me take off the brush, these thingies off so you can actually see the brushes. Come on, hurry up. Okay, so these are the brushes, guys. Let me separate the eye brushes. Yes, these are the brushes, guys. They're looking very, very nice. I love how they're looking. Okay, so we have this brush. This is called a foundation brush. Yeah, very nice, feels very nice. The bristle, the ferrule is very, feels sturdy and it's so shiny, and I love the detail. It has this, like, when you look at it in the light, it looks like rainbowish kind of, it has this nice little reflection, like rainbow reflection. You won't see it on camera, but yeah, it has that. But this is the brush. This is the brush handle. Feels like quality brushes. My Sylyne brushes, the feeling how it feels and looks, it looks like this is a premium brush, Sylyne brush, and this looks like the ferrule and how the handle feels like my Sylyne brush, premium brush. So it feels nice. I'm expecting great things from this brush. So yeah, and this is the powder brush for blush, powder, whatever you want to use it for. Just showing you how it looks. And then this is like a concealer brush. This is like a concealer brush. I think I'm seeing on here. Yeah, but this is a concealer brush, and this is a powder brush for eye, or you can do contour and all of that. And then this, guys, this is a special brush. This kind of reminds me of the Fenty Beauty, the cheek hugging brush that she has for highlighter. So I can't wait to try out this brush because it's really nice and I love how it, yeah. So yeah, I want to try out this one for highlighter. So this is a really nice brush. It's a cheek hugging brush. Yeah, wow. Okay, so yeah, and then we have the eye brushes, angled liner brush, concealer brush, or flat top shadow brush. This is a tapered blending brush, another blending brush, and this is of a flat blending brush. Yeah, so these are the brushes, guys. Can't wait to use them. I'll have a separate review just for these brushes, so look out for that. Okay guys, so these are some other brushes that I got. These are eye brushes. This is the handle. They are wooden handle. So yeah, and the ferrule is like aluminum like material, and it's silver. Yes, and we're not seeing any glue and all of that, you know, on the brushes, so that's very good. That's a plus. I'll give you the price for these brushes, each and every one of them, so you can know how much they are, but they're super cheap. Yeah, so we're gonna test out these super cheap brushes to see if they actually work. Yeah, so these, as you can see, we have an angled blending brush, we have a flat top fluffy blending brush, we have a blending brush, we have a shadow brush or concealer brush, we have a pencil brush, we have a liner brush or a brow brush, we have a lip brush, and we have a liner brush. And the liner brush is like so dense. But yeah, these are the brushes. I'm gonna test these brushes out in a video right after I finish filming this one. So these are the brushes, guys. These are the eye brushes. As you can see, very nice, no problems. And then we also have this brush set. This is a eye brush set also. It is from this is the packaging, and it is made of pony hair. It's not tested on animal. That's what the information says. And this is the name of the company or the manufacturing company, brush company. It's Sylyne GRN. So this is the name of the manufacturing company that sent me the brushes to review. As I said before, most of their brushes aren't labeled because it's a private labeling company and they manufacture brushes. Okay, so these are what the brushes look like. Yes, these are like, some of them are natural bristles. Let me take out one of the brushes so you can, oh, the brushes feel nice. It has this nice little matte velvety finish. Yeah, the handle, it has this matte velvety finish, and it's the labeling on this brush, or the name of this brush, is the Mint Bear. Maybe this is the Mint Bear series, I don't know, but this is natural bristles. Feels nice, and I'm trying to see if it's shedding. Yes, I'm getting a few little hair from it. Yeah, but it is, you can see, not bad, but I got a few little shedding from it, maybe just the dirt or something. But this is the brush, matte. I like the matte finish. These are the brushes. Nice. These are, some of them are synthetic and some of them are natural bristles. Yeah, but we'll be testing these brushes out too, so look out for that. I think I like this one, the concealer brush. It's very nice. Yeah, but these are like travel size brushes, so you know, if you want to do your makeup and you're like traveling, yeah, these are like travel size brushes. But we're going to be testing them. Oh my gosh, all the brushes are falling. But we're going to be testing them out too, so look out for that video. All right, so we also have this, guys. This is the packaging that it came in. Nice little protective packaging, and it has the name and all the instructions for this brush. This is one of my favorite. This was the one that I directly chose because I really like it. And yeah, we're just going to open it. It is just says cosmetic brush, but it's more like a powder brush, or you know, but it looks fancy, so that's what I love about it, because it looks fancy. This is the packaging, very nice packaging too. Get out. Whoa, guys, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Yes. Oh, it has this nice gold finish, but it's plastic, but maybe hard plastic, but it's nice, and it's nice little, you know, pastel pink with a little bit of like, so it's really nice. I love the detail of this brush. It's really nice. I love it, and it's so fluffy. Ooh, nice for blending. Ooh, feels so nice. Have to review this. So nice. I don't even want to use it. Wow, pretty cool. Just hope it's not just pretty. but I hope it works too. But this is nice. I'll be reviewing this too in a separate video, so look out for that one. Okay, so now we have some chubby brushes. I've been eyeing these chubby brushes for quite some time now, and I finally, you know, I've gotten my hands on them. I have 5 different chubby brushes. I'm going to be reviewing them right after this video, so guys, stay watching. Okay, so let me take them out now. So this one is a foundation brush or blending brush, you know, foundations. So this can really work for foundation. Yes, and it has the name of the manufacturing company on it. And as I said, they're a private labeling company, so you can, if you want to start your own little, you know, business and sell your cosmetic brushes and so forth. And, you know, yeah, it's really nice because even the seller, he speaks English. So if you want to have, you know, your little business, because, you know, most of these businesses that we start over here in the Western world, in the Western world, I'm actually in Japan. But you know what I'm talking about. Most of what we start, we have to consult like Chinese manufacturers because they make the product, and so we can have them, so we can create products that people would love, or unique products and so forth. And we want people that speak English, and he speaks very good English, and he conversate with me, and he was very, very transparent. He's like, if you have a problem with the brush, please tell me. I want to know if you have a problem with the brushes so I can correct them, and just tell me about the quality. So he wants to know the quality of the brushes and so forth. So I'm going to give my honest opinion. And the seller told me that he doesn't mind if I tell him that the brushes are not good, or if they're good or bad, or, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so I think that was good. And, you know, first impression is last. That's good on his part, because at least it is a way to build trust, and it also makes you feel comfortable to have a business relationship with this type of individual or this type of company. So that's very good that he was very transparent in terms of whether or not he wanted me to provide my honest feedback. But this is the brush. Nice. This one is the blending brush. This one is the famous viral one that everybody has been talking about for years, but I just got it, and we're going to test them out. Then we also have this one. This one is the same angled, but I think this one is a little bit more precise in terms of the angle. It's more precise than this one, but it looks the same to me. Okay, and then we have a nice fluffy one for powder and so forth. Dirt, garbage. But this one is for powder and so forth, so yeah. And then we also have this one now. This one, I wash these brushes now because I'm going to be using them in a video. This one reminds me of the Real Techniques foundation brush. I'm going to find a picture and show you the Real Techniques foundation brush against this one. This reminds me of it. I can't wait to use it. Has this weird shape, very, very angled, very nicely cut. So these are the face brushes. So we're going to be using them, testing them out, and I'll tell you what I feel about them. I'm really excited to test these brushes out. And then the star of the show is this here. This is a 29-piece brush set. It is a the Sigma dupe. Yes, as I said before, no labeling. Yes, this comes in a hard material. It's not leather, it's like leatherette. That's what you call it, leatherette. Yes, so this is like leatherette, so it's not real leather, but hard material for nice little protective case. Looks like a Bible. Makeup Bible. Okay, yes, so this is what inside is looking like. It comes with the flap. This is familiar with what's the name of the brush set? Sigma brush set. You must be familiar with the little flaps to protect the bristles of the brush. More flaps, and then another flap. Yes, and more flaps and more flaps and more flaps. So let me open the brush and show you. So you have a stippling. Oh my gosh, can't afford for the brushes to be. Oh my god, how did this get? Come on, go back. So we have a stippling brush. I don't know, maybe because I had the brush, you know, squished or something. But this is a stippling brush here. Then we have a powder brush. And then we have another smaller powder brush. Then we have a stippling brush. Maybe you can use this with like liquid products. Then we have a foundation brush, small blending brush. And then we have the eye brushes. These are the eye brushes. Yes, so as you can see, some of them natural bristles and synthetic bristles. Yeah, you can see. Nice. I'm going to have a dedicated video for this brush set. As you can see, more brushes, natural bristles and synthetic, blending brushes, liner brushes, even a lip brush. This one. Yeah. Yep. And then over here, the last section, you have another stippling brush, angled brush for your contour. It's so white. I don't want to use this. Oh no! Because it's going to be brown. And then we have another brush. This is like a blending highlighter brush. Then we have a concealer brush right here. More powder brush, maybe under the eye. And a blush brush or whatever powder you want to use. But there are so many brushes to choose from, guys. So 1, 2, 4 different sections of brushes. So this is a complete brush set. Can't wait to really use them and review them individually, so you can, you know, find out if they're good quality and so forth. Yes. But as I said before, this company is on Dhgate. Yes, I'm sampling their products, so I'll have a series of reviews for you, so we can test out the brushes to see if they're of good quality and so forth. Just have fun, you know, using brushes and so forth. And as I said before, if you're into private labeling, if you want to start your own little company, cosmetics, selling brushes and so forth, Dhgate is also a good way to do that, to start your own little business and so forth. But guys, I'm going to be doing this little review again. I'm going to review the Chubby Brush, so stay tuned for that review. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I would definitely appreciate it. And look out for these brushes. I'm going to have a little brush series, so you can come and enjoy brush review, cheap stuff, affordable stuff for your pocket, but at the same time, slay. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.